Hindi nababase ang pagiging standout sa trabaho ng isang tao kung siya ay ang pinakamatalino, ang pinakasikat, ang laging napapansin, o ang pagiging main character. Dahil ang pagiging reliable, consistent, at ang nagbibigay ng halaga sa kanyang ginagawa ay ang totoong maging standout. Kaya ito ang ilang mga tips on how to stand out at work. Be consistent. Hindi dapat magaling ka lang sa umpisa at paminsan-minsan dahil mas importante ang pagiging consistent ng quality sa iyong ginagawa. Take initiative. Kapag may opportunity para makatulong o mapadali ang proseso, grab it. Don't let it pass you. Be reliable. Be the person your teammates and manager can count on. Dapat, lagi kang ready anytime na may nangangailangan. Build good relationships. Success isn't just about skills. It's also about how you work with people. Be kind, supportive, respectful, and willing to help others. Let your work speak for itself. You don't need to brag. Kapag nakikita nila ang quality ng work mo at kung paano ka makitungo sa mga tao, mapapansin ka nila at maa-appreciate nila ang pagiging hardworking mo. Standing out at work isn't about competing with everyone else, but it's about how to improve yourself every day. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Steve Jobs, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. You can do it!